As a budget manager, upon logging into the system, I would arrive at this homepage. Across the top, I have my navigation bar where I can quickly access various parts of the system. For example, the Accounts tab stores all of the business entities I work with. Here are my contacts across my accounts. The Clinical Studies tab stores all of the studies I have oversight on. Here are my budgets and payments, and so on and so forth. Up here in the center of my screen is a global search where I can quickly look for something in the system, whether it's a budget or payment record. In the middle of my screen, as a budget manager, I have the ability to view budget metrics for a single study, or for all of my studies at once. These dashboards on the homepage can be set up to reflect relevant data based on the role of the user. For example, if I was a manager, I would see financial metrics related to the studies I have oversight on. If I was a director or VP, I may want to see high-level information related to budget versus actuals. Now, as a budget manager, I can click on the Clinical Studies tab where I can see all of the studies that I am responsible for. If I'm running multiple studies, I can organize my studies by creating lists based on phase, country, status, and more. If I drill down into a study that's already been created, I arrive at the study page where I can view all study-related information in just one pane. If I go to the Financials sub-tab, all of my budgets, both study or project level and site budgets, can be viewed here. Along with my budgets, all payments and invoices can be viewed here as well. Now, by opening up a study budget, I can create various line items or expense buckets such as data management, quality, regulatory affairs, meetings, and more. All of these line items were pulled in when I linked the rate card or budget template to this study budget during creation. The Summary tab summarizes all of my budget line items line by line. Once the draft is completed, I can then submit it for internal review and approval. After the budget is approved, I can generate it in a PDF with just a click of a button. I also have the option to automatically generate the budget in an editable Excel format. Now, moving to the site budget, I am able to create various line items just like I did in the study budget. Also, just like I did in the study budget, I can automatically pull these line items into the site budget, saving me hours of manual work. Not only that, but I can also budget against each visit and procedure in my visit schedule, editing the cost per unit according to my budgeted subject visit costs. My site budget can also be accessed through my site page. All of the financial data that I've been working with can be reported and viewed through visual and insightful dashboards. I can track my high-level financial metrics as well as study-specific budget reports. In addition, I can choose to set up a dashboard subscription where I can indicate how often I want the dashboard to be delivered to my inbox or my team's inbox.